Hello viewers, today I am going to cloud computing, delivery of on-demand computing services for application to storage and processing power, typically over the internet and on a pay-as-you-go basis. Top cloud providers in 2020 is AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud, hybrid SaaS players. How does cloud computing work? Rather than owning their own computing infrastructure or data center, companies can rent access to anything from application to storage from a cloud service provider. One benefit of using cloud computing services is that firm can avoid the upfront cost and complexity of owning and maintaining their own IT infrastructure and instead simply pay for that what they use when they use it. What cloud computing services are available? Cloud computing services cover a vast range of options, now basic of storage, networking and processing power through to natural language processing and artificial intelligence, as well as standard office application. What are the examples of cloud computing? Cloud computing underpins a vast number of services that includes consumer services like Gmail or cloud backup of the photos on your smartphone. Though to the services which allow large enterprises to host all their data and run all of their application in the cloud. Netflix relies on cloud computing services to run its video streaming services and its other business system too, and have a number of their organization. Cloud computing is becoming the default option for many apps. Software vendors are increasingly offering their application as services over the internet rather than the standalone product as they try to switch to the subscription model. However, there is a potential downside to cloud computing in that it can also introduce a new cost of new risk for companies using it. Why it is called cloud computing? A fundamental concept behind cloud computing is that the location of the service and the many of the details such as hardware or operating system on which it is running are largely irrelevant to the user. This is an oversimplification of course for many customers, location of their services and data remaining a key issue. Cloud is a computing providers such as Amazon Web Services. How important is the cloud? Meanwhile, spending on traditional in-house IT continues to slide as computing workload continues to move to the cloud, whether that is public cloud service offered by the vendors or a private cloud built by the enterprises themselves. What is infrastructure as a services? Cloud computing can be broken down into three cloud computing models. First is infrastructure as a service. Refers to the fundamental building block of computing that can be rented, physical or virtual server, storage and networking. Research by Oracle found that two-thirds of IaaS users said using online infrastructures make it easier to innovate, had cut their time to deploy new application and services and had a significantly cut on going maintenance costs. However, half said IaaS isn't secure enough for most critical data. So some of them tell it save the time because the Oracle take too much time for installation, and some says it is not secure. What is a platform as a services? Platform as a services PaaS is the next layer up, as well as the underlying storage, networking, and virtual server. This will also include the tools and software that developers need to build application on top of that cloud include middleware, database management, operating system, and development tools. What is a software as a services? That is SaaS is the deliver of application as a service, probably the version of the cloud computing that most people are used to on a day-to-day basis. The underlying hardware and operating system is irrelevant to the end user who will access the services via web browser or app. It is often bought on a peer sheet or peer user basis. Cloud computing benefit. The exact benefit will vary according to the type of cloud service being used. But fundamentally, using cloud service means companies not having to buy or maintain their own computing infrastructures. No more servers, updating application or operating system, or decommissioning and dispositioning of hardware or software when it is out of date as a and it is all taken care by of the supplier. The person need not to take their own setup. All things are supplied by the supplier. For commodity applications such as email, it can make sense to switch to the cloud provider rather than rely on the house skill. A company that is specialized in running and securing these services is likely to have a better skills and more expected staff than a small business cloud offered to the hire. So cloud service may be able to deliver to more secure, efficient service to end users. Using cloud service means companies can move faster on project and test out concept without lengthy procurement and big upfront cost because firm only pay for the resources they consume. जैसे इंटरनेट यूज करने पे you have to charge only the internet charge. Same way when they use the facility of cloud, then they charge only for the services. This concept of business agility is often mentioned by cloud advocates as a key benefit. The ability to spin up new services without the time and effort associated with the traditional IT procurement should means that is easier to get going with new application faster. And if a new application turns out to be a widely popular, the elastic nature of the cloud means it is easier to scale it up fast. Cloud computing advantage and disadvantage. Cloud computing is not necessarily cheaper than other form of computing, just as renting is not always cheaper than buying in the longer term. If an application has a regular and a predictable requirement for computing service, it may be more economical to provide the service in-house. What about cloud computing security? Certainly, many companies remain concerned about the security of cloud services. Although breaches of security are rare, how secure you consider cloud computing will largely depend on how secure your existing systems are. In-house system managed by team with many other things to worry about are likely to be more leaky than system monitored by the cloud providers, engineers dedicated to protecting that infrastructure. However, concerns do remain about security, especially for the companies moving their data between many cloud services, which has leading to growth in cloud security tools, which monitor data moving to and from the cloud and between cloud platforms. These tools can be identify fraudulent use of data in the cloud, unauthorized download, and the malware. What is a public cloud? The public cloud is a classic cloud computing model where user can access a large pool of computing power over the internet. One of the significant benefit here is the ability to rapidly scale a service. The cloud computing suppliers have vast amount of computing power, which they shares out between the large number of customers. The multi-tenant architectures, their huge scale means they have enough space capacity that they can easily cope if any particular customer need more resources, which is why it is often used for less sensitive application that demands a very varying amount of resources. What is a private cloud? Private clouds allow organizations to benefit from the sum of the advantage of public cloud, but without the concern about control over data and services, because it is tucked away behind the corporate firewall. Companies can control exactly where their data is being held and can build the infrastructure in a way they want. Largely for IaaS or PaaS project to give the developer access to pool of computing power that scale on demand without putting security at risk. However, that additional security comes at cost as few companies will have the scale of AWS, Microsoft or Google, which means they will not be able to create the same economies of scale. Still, for companies that require additional security, private cloud may be useful stepping stone, helping them to understand cloud service or rebuild the internal application for cloud before shifting them into the public cloud. What is a hybrid cloud? Hybrid cloud is a perhaps where the everyone is in reality a bit of this, a bit of that. Some data in the public cloud, some project in the private cloud. Multiple vendors are and different level of cloud usage according to the research by Tech Republic. The main reason for choosing hybrid cloud includes disaster recovery planning and the desire to avoid hardware cost. Always, hybrid means the mix of two, that is public and private. So today's the day of clouds. Generally, big companies are using cloud because it is more secure, more economical, and less effort required for the um, development or security of the data. It is all depend upon the technical staff of the cloud. So today I am closing my lecture. So if you like this information, then please subscribe and share to the others, and thank you for today lecture.